Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to block email address on Gmail app. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to block an email address on the Gmail app, just follow these steps. Now, open up your Gmail app on your mobile device. Now, find an email from the email address you want to block. So, let's try this one. Now, I'm already inside the email. Tap the three dots icon on the right corner of the screen. Now, you can see here block the name of the sender's name. So, just tap block. Then, it's already blocked. Now, if you want to unblock the sender, just press the unblock sender. So, that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!